It beeps when it's at the end. Now we're gonna go ahead and look at it. Okay. I mean, it's... Hello everyone, today we are reviewing the COMFEE air fryer oven. We're going to show you guys what you get, and then we're going to actually use this. That's right, in this video we are going to test it to see if it works. Okay, first let's go over some accessories. This looks like to be, let's see if it actually says, it's a cover of some sorts. You have one of these bacon racks. These are good for pizza. I like using them for pizza. You have this rack as well. Now this is great for catching anything that falls down or grease and oil. You also have this rack. This is great for chicken wings, chicken breast, and different stuff like that. And then of course it gives you a whole guide. You got a cookbook. I mean, that's pretty cool. Tons of different features. And look at this. Different ingredients, different meals you can make. That is really cool. Now let's show you the unit. For those who are wondering, it is very lightweight, so it's not a heavy unit. Now this is the top. Here's the sides. Vented sides. Here's the back. It does have these to protect it, so if it accidentally gets near a wall, this is to protect it so nothing gets against this. Great safety feature. Let's go ahead and show you the plug. I know some people like to see. It is a 3-prong outlet, so it is grounded. That is a good thing. Okay, this is what it looks like. This one looks like a little dent right there. It looks like this one was definitely touched a lot. We will want to clean this up a bit. So we're going to clean that up. Here you can see that it has pre-custom settings for pizza, toast, bagel, broil, reheat, dehydrate, rapid bake, air roast, air fry, sear, crisp. You have power, light, function, push to start, push to pause, and change it by turning the knob anyway. Okay, so it kind of shows you the different levels to set stuff and go from there. Open up the door here. Okay. You definitely want to remove this, my friends. As it says, please remove. Do not forget to remove that. It's just this little tile right over here. Because you can definitely start a fire if you don't remove this right here. And again, I recommend everyone wipe everything down with cloth and clean it out. That way, you know, from factory, it's just always good to do that. Once turned on, you can then go ahead and select by turning the knob here. You can select all these different ones. So pizza, it has the temperature, and then you can actually change different things. It looks like you can actually do this function button changes. Look at this. Look how bright that light is. You can turn the power on and off by just pressing the button. This is really neat. I like this a lot. You can select, so here we can select how long, the size, so 6-inch, 12-inch, 9-inch, 6, 12. Let's see what this one is. Okay, this is a 6-inch. I mean, look at the light. I absolutely love this. Now let's go and let's see here. 6-inch. Now let's go ahead and look on the box for the time. This says 19 minutes at 4:25. I don't think we're gonna go ahead and do 10 minutes and split it in half just to see here. Okay, 10 minutes 40 seconds. Okay, temperature. It says 425. We'll do 425. By the way, you can go all the way up to 450 and as low as 150. 425. Push the start. Okay, let's close this. There we go. That's it. And the countdown starts. Here's how it looks with the lights off. Oh my word, this is pretty awesome. See you guys in a little bit. So to start off, you will have a smell, so it will smell to it, and that's kind of anything new tends to have a smell, and you can even see it kind of burning off. You see that? Because most things new burn off. So just stay around it, keep watching it for the first use. But a lot of stuff does this, like toaster ovens. Even our microwave did this when we first got it. So again, stay with it. If you have smoke alarms, they could go off. It's not a crazy amount of smoke, but just stay with it, just watch it, monitor it. So first time use, doesn't seem to be, oh, there's still a little smoke coming out. And things are gonna get smoky, you'll smell a little bit. The inside doesn't get smoky, so it's just the fan blowing and heating everything up. So it's not like something's burning inside, but again, just watch it. Now as you can see, we are almost done with 10 minutes and 40 seconds, and it's actually cooking pretty good. So time differences might be a little different depending on what you're doing. This will heat up a little faster than your normal oven. So if you use like a big oven and you set it for 425 for 10 minutes, this is going to heat up quicker, and because it's more confined. So just keep that in mind. And it will turn on and off as it hits the temperature and drops under. Not quite done, but as you can see, it's getting a little crispy. We're going to put it back in, and probably, it said 19 minutes, but we don't have to do 19. Probably another 5 should be good. Alright, function. Pizza. Time. Drop this down to 5 minutes. $425. You know what? Let's do 400. That's going to keep it from getting too crispy on the top. There we go. 5 minutes at 400 degrees. So, this does get fairly hot. You can set like an oven mitt on, but your hand, you would probably burn your hand after a little bit. It does, yeah, it is hot enough. Just try and keep everything away from it. We have it pretty close here, but we will move it to another area. The smoke had stopped, so that's normal with things new. But again, just stay with it for the first maybe 1 or 2 times you're actually testing it out. Once it heats up and burns off everything it needs to. But yeah, the pizza is looking good. We like it crispier, so we're gonna let it in, but I think it'll be done in a minute here. Done perfectly how we want it. So again, play with the settings, play with the temperature and all that fun stuff, but yeah, works great.